We are visiting the RSPB Rye Meads Bird Reserve in Hoddesdon, and it's about a 10 minutes walk away from Hoddesdon railway station, or Rye House it is called. And on the way to the bird reserve you actually pass a nice pub and Rye Gatehouse, so it's worth a visit. Also bicycle parking. Let's go in. Hello. The reserve is well known to see kingfishers. Even social distancing here in the bird reserve. We pass through the visitor centre. And Lorraine already can. What can you? We are passing Buckingham Palace. The first height on the reserve is the Draper height. Let's go in. What can you see?
Teal, mostly teal.
And you said a lapwing.
A couple of lapwings.
Entry is free to the reserve here, but they charge for parking, so it's a good idea just to come by public transport. During the week it's a bit of a teaching reserve here. There's loads of school groups coming in here and it can get busy. Everything also wheelchair accessible. Let's turn right to the Turn and Gatwell Heights. All the heights have really impressive murals. Here is a lovely mural on the ceiling. I love them, they are really great. Oh, have you seen this one? There's a dead bird. It's a coot. The willow branches are bursting out here. It's nice to walk along the boardwalk. They just recently built a new kingfisher hide called the Kingfisher Viewing Hub. All steamed up. Let's leave the main reserve and hit the Otter trail. Therefore we need to go through a turnstile. This area now is managed by the Hearts and Middlesex Wildlife Trust. A bit muddy here right now, so have good shoes on. What birds can you see?
I can see gadwall, little green, shovelers, moorhens and mallards, and quite a good mix.
been a good walk and a nice explore around here in Hertfordshire. And the sun is setting now, and we are heading home, and spring is coming soon.